What's going on, guys? Nick here, back with it another video, and in today's video I'm going to take a look at this Pixel 5a. We're going to unbox it and give you my first impression and all of that thing. So yeah, FYI, this is my first time using a Pixel device, and I have to say I'm an Apple fanboy as well, but I think my loyalty is resting somewhere else, because this Pixel 5a is actually my first device, my first ever Pixel device. And I gotta say, I think I just may switch to Pixel devices and just ditch the iPhone, period, because I really want to stop like saying I'm an iPhone fanboy and all those stuff. But if this device can get me into that world of being a Pixel guy, then yeah, why not? I have to carry a Android device as well, an iPhone as well. So yeah, I wouldn't like finish with the iPhone like completely or anything like that. But hey, the Pixel device is such a great device, and I think I want to be in the world of the Pixel as well. So I hope this device can like draw me into that world and like let me actually feel comfortable using it. Without further ado, let's jump on into this video. Oh wait, before we get into the video, I'm asking if you could just subscribe to the channel down below if you haven't already, or if you're new here, and just drop a like on this video because it helped my channel out a lot. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump on into this unboxing. So this is the Pixel 5a. On the front here, you just have Pixel 5a 5G, and also the device printed on the front as well. Super nice packaging from Google, I must say. I really like this box. And on the side, you just have 5G. Flipping it around on the back, you just have hashtag Team Pixel and some information about the device. And as you can see here, Pixel 5a, and this is the mostly black version. I think this is the only color in the Pixel 5a, and this comes in a 128GB variant. Sad to say this doesn't support any expandable storage option, but the 128GB should be enough for any casual or basic user. That's something to note as well. So when you open the box, you're greeted with the device on top. So I'll just set that aside for now, and we will take a look at what else we get inside the box. So here you get your SIM card tool, which is tiny, and also you get your booklets and manual, which no one reads. And you get your 18-watt USB Type-C adapter, which is nice to see included in the package. And here you get your USB Type-C cable as well, because this device has a Type-C port and a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter also included. If you don't want to use both of the Type-C end, you could just use that. Let's see what else we get inside the box. Anything else in here? I think that's all we get inside the box. So taking a look at the device here, they said this is the mostly black version. Wait, bro, isn't this green? Isn't this green, bro? But I'm getting a greenish tint when the light hit this at the angle. And you also get your dual camera here and your fingerprint scanner. So I'm just gonna take off the plastic on the front here. So on the display, this is a 6.3 inch, and Google said this have a Gorilla Glass 3, and also this comes with a Snapdragon 765G and 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, which should be enough for a basic user. Wish they had expandable storage though, because that would be a lot better for a creator like me. Here at the bottom you have your USB-C charging port and your speakers, and at the side you got your SIM card slot, which is not dual SIM. At the top you got your headphone jack, which is super nice to see, and you also have your microphone here. And on the other side you have your power button, which have a dual tone to it. Seems greenish to me. And here you have your volume rockers here as well. And on the front you will see your speakers and your selfie camera, which is a 8 megapixel, and also this feature HDR, which can record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, because I don't really use the front camera on my devices to record videos, but this might just get me into that, because I do think this is a solid selfie cam at the moment, and I will definitely use this now. Alright guys, so I went ahead and set up the phone and everything, put in my pin and all those stuff, and I actually changed wallpaper as well, as you can see here. Change it to my current theme, as you can see there, the wallpaper I'm using on my device as well. And this device is pretty solid. I really like the bezels. You can see like this is like bezel-less. Well, it's not bezel-less, but the bezel is really small, and display is really nice. I can see for sure. To be honest, I think I may switch to Pixel devices. I may switch to Pixel devices, and the cameras, you get your dual cameras around here, as you can see there, and the operating system is really nice. It's come with Android 11. It's super nice. The cameras is awesome. The cameras is super good, as you can see here. Cameras are super nice, and I'll be testing the cameras, like daily driving this thing to see how it holds up in the day and all those stuff. I'll be testing the battery life. I will be sending some emails using the phone throughout the day, and I'll be using the phone throughout the day to see how it holds up and everything. So I'm gonna pop my SIM card in here, and I will get back to you guys and how this thing performed throughout the day and all those stuff. As you can see here, the phone is actually a greenish looking thing to me. They say it's a mostly black version, but to be honest, this when you tilt the phone like this, you see like a greenish tint to it. Same for the power button. The power button has same color tone, greenish color tone, which is super nice. I think they do this on most Pixel devices like the 4 and those stuff. So yeah, it's super good. The display is super nice as well. I'll be daily driving this. If you are not following me on Instagram, because I'm going to use this to take some pictures and post on Instagram, so if you're not following me there, you can just follow me there to see updates on this and to see how it's doing and all those stuff. So if you're not following me, I'll leave links down below for all my social media links and stuff where you can find me. So I'll be posting pictures with this on Instagram and all those stuff, so you can just follow me there. I really like this phone. I think I'm gonna just throw away all my iPhones and just stick to Pixel devices, to be honest. Yeah, so I really enjoying this phone so far. As I said before, I'll be daily driving this to tell you guys how this holds up on thing. And it's actually a Type-C device as well, as I said before in the video. It's a Type-C, so that's nice. And I just love the all screen. As you can see, the screen, like, it's just full screen. I just hate that on the iPhone. I wish the iPhone never have that big old notch on the top. So yeah, this is what we want after full screen display. Please, Apple, take a page from Google or the Pixel book. Please, we want full screen, full screen, so we can like make use of the content if we're watching movies or anything like that. So yeah, officially a Pixel user, and I don't regret using Pixel devices because the 6 and the 6 Pro was launched like a couple of days ago, and I gotta say those devices are stellar. They're killer devices, flagship devices. And before the 6 and 6 Pro, this was like the flagship device for Google Pixel. And this have to just step down and give the 6 and 6 Pro the crown. One day I'll be using the 6 or the 6 Pro. As I said, I don't regret using a Google Pixel device because the Pixel devices are so nice. They're so awesome. And maybe someone see me with this phone and say, yo, what kind of phone is that, bro? Like, if that's not an iPhone, what are you using? Those guys, those people just don't know how good these devices are. So if you're leaning over to Pixel device, or maybe you're leaning to some other device, I would definitely recommend the Google Pixel. It's such an awesome device. So I'll be daily driving this, pop my SIM card in this thing, and let you guys know how this holds up. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this one, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead by subscribing down below and also ringing that notification bell so you guys always get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.